Now, let's go on. Describe a successful person who you once studied or worked with.
Well, I have a lot of successful friends in my friend circle, but for now, I will talk about Mr. Umar, who is currently CEO of a pesticide company and doing a good work there. We met in graduation in our university. First, I remember when we met, he was working as a social worker on a society desk in a university to guide the new students for their admission. Uh, we met first time there, and then we keep that friendship in our whole the session. We didn't not only studied together, but we worked together as a social worker in our university as well as out of university, where we represent our institute as a social worker and do some help to the needy persons or anything like that. uh, he was a good team player as well as a good team leader. During graduation, we arranged many events in our university where he played a role of team leader as well as a team player.
Okay, 1 minute 22 seconds. Overall, it's good. You need practice to become further fluent. What is happening now? At the moment, you're speaking word by word. So you should try to speak sentence by sentence. Okay? Thank you. All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a park or garden in your city. Yes.
Well, we all know parks are the lungs of cities, and with increasing number of population, the number of parks should also be increased. As I live in Lahore, it is very well developed city, and there are a lot of parks and gardens there. But among them, I would like to tell you about Jilani Park, which is located in a very famous road, which is located on a very famous road, Jail Road, and we commonly know park as a race course. This park has a beautiful jogging track and a number of slopes going up and down, and it has a beautiful landscape, and it has a lot of different amusement activities for children, and it has different varieties of flowers and plants. Whenever I get some time, I would like to go there alone and sit under the tree to admire the nature, as I love photography and I love to go there to capture the beautiful nature scenes. And this parks for me it like a little heaven on earth, and I find peace and whenever I get stressed and I want to get some peace, I would
Okay,
like to
1
go there.
minute 25 seconds. Overall, it's very good. All you need is practice and familiarity with such type of topics. Once you practice all these topics, you will speak very comfortably in front of the examiner. Okay? Keep it up. Good job. Okay, the next topic is describe a beautiful city.
The city that we're discussing is Lahore. Lahore is situated in the northeast side in Punjab, Pakistan. Uh, I would say Lahore is a beautiful developed city that contains many facilities. As it is my home city, I know this city all my life, and it is famous for the development it has, like a very good metro system and transport system overall. It has a variety of buildings, like hospitals, restaurants, hotels. Since I live here my whole life, I enjoyed the facilities I have here. Uh,
Come on, carry on, don't
it is
stop.
it is famous for its rich culture, food restaurants, and historic architecture.
That's it. Your answer is without ending, proper conclusion, and try to explain the topic according to the points which have been given here, not your own description of a city. Okay, like you should have said where the city is, how you knew it, what buildings are there, what it is famous for. So just go on one by one. It'll be better, right? Okay.